So the Google Maps is actually a visual composer element that, it makes it easy for you to set it up and put a Google map wherever you want it to be. So something like this, we have two columns set up, and each of those columns we have a visual composer element for a Google map. And all we do is put in the embed code that we get from the map, and it just Visual Composer will put it out into that column, or you could even do a full width row, and it'll automatically make it mobile responsive and do it that way. So let's go into the page and check out the different elements. It should be labeled Google Maps, and if you go into it, hit the little edit button, you can see that all it does, you just use the iframe code that you get from Google, and you can set the map height. So like if you have something that looks, if you have that empty and it's shown a little too tall or a little too short, you can just set that height to what you want, and then it'll make the width the way it should be. So if we want to add a new one, let's just go down here at the bottom of the column, hit the plus, and choose Google Maps. And then you'll have the fields that you need to put in, and you'll just put in the iframe code. So if we go to a Google map, and we'll just do Elkhart by example, you'll see you got the map the way you want it, and this also works with other maps where you custom create with like different pins, and you can actually get an iframe embed code from those also, and then you would just put that into the Google map. So if you go up here to the top left, you have your correct place that you want to be. Go up to the top left, share or embed map, and do the embed map. And you can do small, medium, large depending on the size of it. Usually you can just go large, and then Visual Composer will automatically kind of make it responsive to whatever section it's in. So you just take this iframe code, copy that, go back to your page, paste that into the iframe field, hit save changes, and then you can go back out to the page and check it out. That's about all there is to it. There's not much to the Google Maps settings besides the iframe and the map height. There are other options where you can have something where it's zoomed in a little further. That is within Google Maps, and those are just some some other options that you can do with that.